Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform 100% true settings on HONOR X5c Plus. So you have to start by opening your settings application. Now you have to scroll down and click on System and Updates. Then click on Reset, and now click on Reset Phone, and then click on Reset Phone again. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern, and then click on Reset Phone. And now you'll have to wait. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.